Hi guys, today's lesson is going to be on the number 4. We're going to watch the Starfall video for number 4 and go through it together, and then you're going to do a Nearpod that goes along with the number 4. So let's start with our Starfall number 4. Alright, see the number 4 in green there.
4.
Alright, there's 4 purple squares. And then a green number 4. I'm going to click it.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you count to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Oh, look at those 4 giraffes. Let's click the number 4 for the 4 giraffes.
4.
4 giraffes walk.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here they come again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a dice that shows 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
4 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
A square has 4 sides.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, here I think we have 4 wheels. Do we see the number 4 in green?
4.
4 wheels.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
4.
Okay, so now we're going to start our Nearpod. The code for our lesson is HGVAE. Again, that's HGVAE. So I'm going to take this code and put it in nearpod.com, but you can use the app too. So I'm entering my code, HGVAE, and joining the session. In order to join, your child may need help putting their name in. Initials will be okay too. Then when you're done, you're going to hit Join Session. The first thing we have to do is trace the number 4. So we need 3 lines. The first one comes down. The next one goes across. And the third one goes all the way down to make the number 4. When you're done tracing the 4, hit Submit. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 robots to color in. I know coloring on the iPad or on the computer can be a little bit hard, but you just try your best. Okay, I'm going to choose a different color from robot number 2. Robot number 2 is going to be red. Alright, so I colored 2 robots. Now I'm going to make my third robot yellow. And my last robot, let's make him green. The colors you get in the most basic box of crayons. Now let's count how many robots I colored on the page. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 robots. When you're done, hit submit. If you need more time, you can hit pause. Now this is tracing the number 4. So we go down, across, and all the way to the bottom. Down, across, and all the way to the bottom. So we're just practicing writing the number 4. Let's review what we wrote. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Great job. When you're done hit submit, please. Okay, now we get to write it. So the first one is just tracing down, across, and then all the way from the top to the bottom. Now let's see if we can write it 5 times. 4, down, across, all the way to the bottom, down, across, all the way to the bottom, down, across, all the way to the bottom, and one more time, down, across, and all the way to the bottom. When you're done, hit submit. Alright, the next one says color 4 circles. So we have circles. I'm going to color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles did I color? 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done, hit submit. Okay. Now here we have some ducks to color in. Let's make the ducks yellow. So we're coloring in 4 ducks. Duck number 1. Now here's number 2. Number 3. And number 4. So let's count the ducks I colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're done coloring the ducks, hit submit. Alright, this says circle or color 4 ducks below. So we can't get confused by the other animals. I'm going to circle them. And the first picture is a duck. So I'm circling the duck. A pig, no. A cow, no. And then we have 2 chickens. Chickens are not the same as ducks. Alright, then look what this is. Another duck to circle. I circle the duck, you circle the duck too. Okay, then we have another chicken. Not a duck. We need to find 2 more. Chicken? No. A sheep? No. But look what comes next. 2 more ducks in a row. We're getting our ducks in a row here. There's 1, 2. Let's count all the ducks we circled on the page and make sure we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks. When you're done circling the ducks, hit submit. Okay, this says color 4 whales. So let's see, I'll color each of them a different color. I made his tail a little big, so my first whale is a blue whale. My next whale is a red whale. That's whale number 2. Alright, let's make an orange whale next. That's whale number 3. And the last one Let's make it green. Whale number 4, my last whale. So I'm coloring 4 whales. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whales. When you're done coloring the whales, please hit submit. This is our last question. Circle all the 4s. So we're on a search for the number 4. 2 is not a 4. Look what comes next. The number 4. A 7 comes next. 7 is not the same. What's this? A number 4. Let's circle it. Great job. Then comes a 1. Not a 4. No, that's a 0. What's this? A 4. Circle 4. 6. Not a 4. 9. Not a 4. Look what comes next. The number 4. And a 1. Then a 3. So one thing that I want to go over is that there's 2 ways people write 4s. So when we wrote it like this, which is the easier way. But some people write it like this. But they both mean the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. They both say 4. So if I were to color 4, make 4 dots to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look. This 1, 2, 3, 4 says 4, but this says 4 too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job practicing your 4s. When you're done, hit submit. And the lesson's all done. Great job.